get to know a little about the builder. You see, this builder is one of India's most leading respected real estate developer with 40 years of legacy, meaning premium quality construction. Now, why exactly should you invest in this project? Being inside the HMDA planned Neopolis Township means enjoying an elite master plan with zero hanging wires. Now be among the first to own a house here in Brigade, which is an ultra-luxury upcoming residential project located here in the prestigious Neopolis. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the teaser of Brigade's latest upcoming project by Brigade Group. The project is located in Kokapet, Neopolis, Hyderabad. So this is what the surrounding of the project is going to look like. So very soon your marketing office is going to be right here and your land parcel of course is here. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Now, unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. In the video, we will also be discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and a lot more. So let's get this video started. First, let's understand the project. So this project is going to be constructed on 4.5 acres of land parcel featuring 2 towers with ground plus 55 floors including your 3, 4 and 5 BHK premium residences. Let's talk about the location. So this is the exact location of the project which is located on the Neopolis Road, Kokapet, Hyderabad. The financial district is just 3 kilometers away from here. The Gachibowli is 16 minutes away and your outer ring road also is just 6.3 kilometers away from here. Let's know the amenities of the project. So of course the amenities are going to be premium, luxurious, which is going to include your grand clubhouse, swimming pool area, multi-purpose courts, kids play area and a lot more. Now if you were planning to buy a home here in Hyderabad, then I have one strong recommendation for you. That is, you definitely need to watch Rights of Home Buyers series. Many home buyers don't even know what their actual rights are. For example, if you pay a token amount to the builder and later decide to cancel the booking, how much money can the builder legally deduct? And sometimes after possession, you will have leakage or construction quality related issues. Sometimes you don't know what liabilities. And as a home buyer, it's very important to know all your legal rights. Well, we have explained all these important topics in a very simple and easy to understand manner. So before you buy a home, I strongly recommend that you watch the series once. You'll find the link for the series in the description below. Let's know the super built up area. So your configuration is going to range from 2,300 to 6,000 square feet. Coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open. The clients are invited to the site, but the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the pricing and the payment schemes as well. Now, if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was the teaser of Brigade's latest upcoming project by Brigade Group, which is located in Kokapet, Neopolis, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey and do not forget to click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below from where you can easily download your e-brochure and the pricing sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.